Chaudhary, and for the hackathon, I have built the HireFlow, an AI hiring automation system. In our system, we can see we have three things: email configuration, workflow, and jobs. So email configuration. So over here, I have connected one email. So this is the email where candidate will send their resume. That's why I have connected it over here. Let's go to the workflow. So the workflow is something after candidate applies to any job, the candidate has to go through each and every step in the workflow. So as an example, in this workflow we have hiring full stack software developer. So in this workflow we have resume analysis, send technical assignment, review technical assignment, and send offer letter. So after the candidate sends the resume for this job, for now I have not shown you the job, but I'll show you job in a bit. Candidate has to go through the entire workflow. So now let's go to the job. So job is very easy part. The hiring manager will create the job and link to the workflow. For this example, we have full stack developer role, department, and all thing. Here's the main thing. It has attached to the workflow called hiring full stack software developer. So when this job is attached to this workflow, the candidate will have to go through each step that are in the workflow. So that is resume analysis, sending technical assignment, reviewing technical assignment, and sending offer letter at the end. So now let's see in the working. So let's see, we have one user, we have one candidate, and the candidate will apply for a role. So this is the subject, so this is the role, and I'm sending it to that email that we have configured. So this is the candidate, and this is the hiring manager, and they have configured their email over here. Candidate has sent their resume to this email, right? So let's see this email. Over here, we have this email. Now the hiring manager will have to do nothing. Why? Because our system monitors each and every email that has been sent over here. Let's see. So in the workflow, we have different process in the workflow. Let's see. So the first thing is resume analysis. So whenever the candidate sends the resume to this email that has been configured in the email configuration, our system will analyze the resume. So that's the first step. So our system should be analyzing the resume. In our Portia, we should see that it is analyzing our resume. Let's see, it will come over here. The plan has been created, and it is saying that you use the resume screen tooling to analyze the candidate resume against job requirement. So now it is so the resume analysis step is in the process, and after analyzing the resume, if the resume looks good, it will send the technical assignment to that candidate. We can also configure each and every step. As an example, in the send offer letter step, what we have is it will not send the offer letter automatically to the candidate if everything goes well. Now as the requires approval is ticked, that is selected, and we have the approver selected, it will wait for the approval of this approver. So I'm going to show you that in a bit. This our system has read by our system, and let's see over here, he should get the so our system has automatically sent the technical assignment. Let's suppose they finish their technical assignment, and it will just reply over here, and to this I'm gonna just say that I have completed. Now our system will automatically review the technical assignment that has been sent. So you can see over here it should have got the so in progress, use the review technical assignment tool to evaluate. So it is in progress. Okay, now so it is success. Now if the technical assignment is good, it must have sent an email to the approvers. So let's see who is the approver here. So we have Sanjay Guwazu. So now I have already opened over here, and in the approvals, so if he approves, now it is success. Now the candidate got the offer letter over here.